One thing that I wish every homeowner knew is that regardless of what kind of system you have in place now, you do have options, and many options. And those options include like what you might be replacing a system with, or whether you're repairing or replacing a system. You might have an oil system now and you can upgrade to a heat pump system. Even within those worlds, there are options in terms of brands. So if you're ever presented something or you think like this is the only brand that'll work, that's not true. The other thing too is that a lot of the brands, and this is like a real big industry secret, are actually manufactured by the same people in the same places. And so that's something to kind of keep in mind, that sometimes brand A that, might be $20,000 and brand C that might be 15. Well, guess what? They're the exact same thing with a different logo on them. So that's something that you might want to do a little bit of research in. And so if brand's important to you, great, go with the other option. If you're convinced of that, if price is important to you, go with that other option. But you should do your research and understand like what are your options? What are you really being presented? Where is stuff being made? That becomes really important too. But if you're thinking like, I've got an oil furnace, so I've got to replace it with an oil furnace, or I've been told Mitsubishi's the best and that's the only heat pump option that's out there that's going to work, you might want to do a little bit of research before you go into this and understand like what do you think your options are, or at least ask your HVAC contractor like, hey, can you give me some options here?
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless Energy.